Hey everyone, so I decided to get me a Labubu or a Lafufu. Honestly, I don't care what it is because this is the first time me trying. And these are really cute, but I have a feeling I'm going to get a Labubu. But regardless, they're still cute and ugly. So let's open this up and see what I get. And besides, I already have a fancy purse here, as you can see, so I don't really care if I get a Lafufu. So let's open this adorable box and see what I get. So this is the Have a Seat ones. All right, let's see what I get if I can open this. All right. Guys, ready? Oh my god. Look how cute this is. Brazil. See right there, Brazil. Little hands move. It's still cute, even though it's not these guys. Hee, Sissy, Dada, ZZ, Baba, and QQ in Mystery. First me trying this, and I like the little Brazilian baby. And it is super, super soft. Regardless if it is a Labubu or a Lafufu. It's cute. Comes with clothes. These don't come with clothes, obviously. But this is still cute regardless. Let me clear the table real quick. Look how cute. I am a Labubu. Ha 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 ha. Oh, this is cute. That is adorable. And the clothes don't come off. This is how I know it is a Labubu, regardless. But it is so cute, and I think it'll go really well with my bag. So let me get my bag a little over here. May not fit in frame all the way. But look how cute he is, or she is. This is still cute regardless. Bye, TikTok. Thanks for the unboxing.